So, this is the second part of our series. If you don't know what the series we are doing at the moment, basically we are trying to create a profitable store and by just using saturated products. This is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure you do so. Basically explaining to you guys why I'm doing this, and so we can find out together if it's actually possible to make a saturated product work using a drop shipping. Now, if you've been enjoying my video and also if you learned something new from my videos, then I would appreciate it if you guys would hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't done so. Comment down below #ActionTaker to win a one-on-one consulting call with me. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be creating a logo, and also I'm gonna be showing you guys the domain name after this. Now, the product selection, how we are going to find these saturated products around our niche, and also we're going to be importing them into our website, and finally analyzing competitors so that we can create a decent product description. Now, this is probably going to be one of the toughest part. We're gonna need saturated products to import, and that's gonna take us a while, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how I find these products. But first, let's jump into creating the logo. I use Canva to create the logo. We basically just want to sign in. Okay, sign into that. Now, Canva is great. I use this a lot for most of my stuff. I basically just want to do free trial, maybe later, skip, whatever. Great logo. Okay, so I'm gonna be revealing to you guys what the name is and the domain. It is bodyprotect.com. So we are going to be creating the logo for that. The way I do my logos are very simple. Basically, I find a little picture or element on Canva that relates back to my niche, and in this case we found a heart. Because we are in the health niche, obviously we'll be using that. And then I will apply our brand colors, which I talked about in our previous video in part 1. And in this case we are using blue, and finally just a simple font that goes with it. And basically I can create a logo in under 20 minutes or even under 10 minutes, as simple as that. Awesome. Now we created our logo. We're going to be uploading this into our website. But before we do that, we just want to buy a new domain, and this domain here is going to be called bodyprotect.com. It's $14 a year. Alright guys, it's looking a lot cleaner. Loving the theme here. Now, when you start editing your website, make sure you look at the mobile, because I would say 80% of your traffic will be from mobile, and make sure that everything looks clean there. From this, it seems like we are quite happy with what it looks like. Obviously, we're going to be filling some stuff out here once we start importing products. So let's go ahead and do that. But first, we are going to publish this bad boy. Alright, now it's time to actually start looking for products. I've laid out all the product requirements that we need to be looking at. So in terms of our product selection, we need to find past winners or saturated products. Yeah, right. Focus on one product. We're going to be advertising one main product, but we're also going to be adding some products that goes along with the same niche so that we can upsell that. Now, we want to import minimum of 3 products in our store. Make sure that the product solves problem, high perceived value, and it's a general product, which means there's no age or gender specific, so that if this product actually works, then we should be able to scale that. So I created a Google Sheet here, named it Health Niche Product Hunting. Basically, when I search for products, I have these headers here set up. So the product name, product link, so that's going to be the AliExpress link, product, Facebook video, competitor number 1 and competitor number 2. So for product name is obviously what the product is, product link is AliExpress. Now if we find a Facebook video, we're going to be putting it here, and then we'll look at other competitors so that we can create our product description. So the first thing I recommend is going to eSniper, eSniper.com. Very good way to find products. Alright, so this is eSniper.com. I typically just go viral sniper and look at the ones that are trending at the moment, and we'll look at something that relates back to our niche, such as health, fitness, or something similar like that. So one thing that I would love to test is this Body Protect. Will love this product, so we're gonna go show me the money. But first, before we do that, don't test this product. It's gonna get you banned on Facebook. There's too much skin showing, and also I heard that this product is not really good. So we'll go ahead and add this one in. eSniper is great because you can look at the AliExpress links and also your competitors and the Facebook ad that they're using, plus the interest that you can target and the demographics. So that's awesome. We found the product here, good reviews, good orders. Okay, we're gonna be adding this one into our store. So it looks like, okay, these guys are selling it for, I would say, $19, and you're only getting it for $2, so that's about $20 profit margin almost. And that's very good because you want at least $15 profit margin, preferably $20 or more, so that you can you have that space when you start scaling your product. Awesome. So the way to do that is basically, I'm just gonna copy that, go to DSER, remember that app that we installed last yesterday, paste that in there, press OK, and that should bring up the product here. Now we can also adjust the title there, variants, description, images, and all that, or you can just do it on Shopify. We want to push that into Shopify, click yes. Now we want to find 2 or more other products, one that is really good, and everyone should know this one, posture corrector. So we're gonna be adding this one as well. So you can see 63,000. So we know this one is highly saturated, quote unquote. Okay, and we want to add this one into our website as well, with the potential to testing that particular product. However, the other one that I want to look at is bigspy.com. This is another app that I use to finding winning products. I actually found my last winning product here, and basically you just go to bigspy.com. You want to go add spy. Okay, to find our particular product that we want to test on our website, we want to do type in a keyword. So I would put support. It's a general word there, and that should tie along with our niche. So we want to change the CTA type to shop now. Okay, all creatives to video. Created time between, this is important. We'll just go for the last year. Okay, and we want to sort by share. So we want to look at products, knee joint support pads like this one. I don't know what this is, but you can see that's a lot of engagement in there, so we know that they scaled this product. Okay, what's this one here? Knee pain. Alright, so it's the same product here. So this is probably something that I would test for our website. So what we want to do is, Big Spy is good at this. We just click that Facebook icon there and it takes us to the actual ad itself. So we want to copy that. Okay, knee support pad. Alright, that's the product name. Product video is over there. Competitor, so we want to just check if they are still testing this product. Awesome stuff. Okay, we want to put that link into our competitor number 1, and also we want to get this one as well. Okay, so I click shop now to get into the competitors page, and then we want to plug that in there. Now we can search for the product in AliExpress. Okay, knee pad protector possibly. Okay, or is it knee pad stabilizer? Okay, 2000 sold. Awesome. So we want to test that. Copy that, plug it into our product link, and also we want to install that into DSER. Okay, now we got our 3 main products. I'm just gonna do the other 2 quickly. Alright, now that we found our products, we are going to start editing the product description itself. Okay, we want to push that into our Shopify store and also the posture corrector. As we all know, all 3 of these products are actually in demand and also considered as saturated products. Okay, we know that because we saw the millions and millions of engagements and views into their Facebook ads. So now what we're gonna do, let's actually open this in Shopify and start editing the product itself. We want to give this one a title, so I start off with our brand name here. Okay, and then we can say power knee stabilizer. Okay, save that bad boy, and then we can start editing the description and also the images and all that. All right, so we can see there's a lot of variants in there. We just want to edit that. Okay, now we know this is a saturated product because, you know, they have stocks in different countries, so we just want to remove that. Okay, I would say we just want to do colors in here. Alright, so we just go 2 pieces blue, 2 pieces army green, and also 2 pieces black with box. Alright, awesome stuff. Now we want to edit the description. The way I structure my description is very simple. I've already done a video of this, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I personally do it myself. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And after that, I'm going to be showing you guys why I did it and how I structured it, okay? Alright team, so I finished editing the product description for this product here. So we named it Product Protect TM Power Knee Stabilizer 1 pair. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the price soon. Alright, I'm gonna change the color options in there as well. However, let's talk about this product description here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to hit them with the punch. Okay, this is your own punchline. All right, before you knock them out. So this is your own punchline here. Okay, take your exercise routines to a whole new level with these power leg knee joint support. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to try hook them and keep the interest in there. All right. So you give a one paragraph about the product and how it's going to solve their problem. Okay, put a GIF in there as well. Then after that, you want to give them some more benefits on why they should buy the product. So that whole section here is all about that. Okay. And put some features in there as well. So basically, you want to keep their interest, okay, when they're reading the product, all right, throughout the time, okay. And finally, you tell them, okay, this is how you use it, and this is what you're gonna get if you buy our product. We also want to put a guarantee here because Facebook is actually looking at a dropshipping websites and see if they are a legit business. Now, if you don't treat your dropshipping store as a business, then you are most likely going to be banned and fail your store. So make sure you treat it as a business and it should follow through. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to be adding the reviews. And then I'm going to be editing the other products in our store, all the description and reviews for that, so we can upsell those. However, for now, that's how it looks like. And this is what we're going to be advertising. I'm just going to do a little bit of cleaning up. So on the next day, we should be ready to creating videos and start advertising this product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. See you guys soon.